How to adjust vibration intensity on Samsung. So if for some reason you need to enable, disable, or just adjust the vibration on your device, for example, you want to get more haptic feedback or maybe less, I'm going to show you how you can do this. Let's get started. Firstly, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and open your settings. And from here, as usual, scroll down until you can see sounds and vibration. So first thing you can do is tap on vibrate to enable vibrate mode and put your phone on a vibrate instead of sound or mute mode. After that, you can go in the ringtone and you will see here ringtone volume, but we decided to choose vibrate options, so let's just skip this tab. Now I'm going to tap on the notification sound, and here you can select vibrate pattern, and if you tap it, you will see notification vibration intensity. So you can just drag the slider to change the intensity. If you drag it to the right side, you will increase it, to the left, decrease. Now let's go back, and you can find vibration intensity switches for all of the options. So here you can adjust your call vibration intensity, notifications, media, and system. So system is like touches, keyboard feedback, camera, and so on. Additionally, you can turn on vibration sound for incoming calls or turn off. And if you want to adjust your system vibration separately, just go back in the setting and choose system vibration. Here you can enable or disable vibration feedback from many features such as dial-in keypad, Samsung keyboard, charging, and so on, and also change vibration intensity. That's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.